Okay, is everyone ready? Okay, first step, draw ABC with the given measurements, okay? Draw a triangle, ABC that's got angle A being 45 degrees and angle B being 60. Alright, so I'm just going to draw a line segment.
Where do we draw it?
On the back.
So it's going to be a right angle?
Which one? It's not. I've drawn a line segment AB, and I'm going to use a protractor, okay? So from this side, I'm going to measure 45 degrees, and I'm going to draw a line out. Then from B, I'm going to measure 60 degrees, and I'm going to draw a line out, okay? And you're going to make a triangle. And I want you to follow the steps in number 2, 3, and 4 to come to a conclusion about that third angle, okay? Yeah, do it on the back, because again, I'm going to collect these at the end of class. Did it come out the same time? Nice. Label the vertices, ABC, and label the angle measures too. She said fail. Yeah. Yeah. So, you guys have got a triangle, and we know what the two side lengths are. I mean, the two angles given are. Now I want you to draw the second triangle, okay? And it's going to have the same two angles. The difference is that this triangle is not going to be congruent to the first, right? So how can we make the second triangle not congruent to the first?
Make it bigger.
You can make it bigger, right? So draw DE with the bigger base. It can be shorter too. But so long as it's not equal to the line you started with in the first one. Alright, and do the same thing.
One's 45.
One's 45, one's 60. Yeah, I'll make mine shorter. DE. This is going to be 60. This is going to be 45.
Has to be smaller or bigger?
It's,
opposite of what you did. Whatever.
yeah, I mean, it's your decision. It's your call. What we'll find. What do you think will happen with people who chose to do it larger and people who chose to do it smaller? What? Huh?
I don't know.
Yes. Take an educated guess.
I don't know. I guess it's going to come out smaller.
What we'll hopefully see is, because what we're going to look at is the third angle, right? We're given a 45 and a 60 degree angle. Then there's that third one that we're not given. Whether you choose to make the second triangle bigger or smaller, that third angle,
It's always gonna be converted.
it's going to be the same. But spoiler alert. Hey, so that third angle, how can we find it? What are ways that
Third angle theorem.
third angle theorem, right? So two triangles have two congruent angles. That means that third is the same. It confirms that they're the same, but how can we find the measure?
But the theorem that says a triangle's area inner thingy equals 180 equals.
Good. How else can you find it?
You add the two base angles and you subtract the 180.
Yes, there's one more. Yes. You guys have protractors. If you measure the third angle, it should always come out to be the same
Oh, right.
as the other triangle. Okay? Measure or write the angle measurement so that you can follow along with what we're observing.
79. No, 75.
You got your triangles? Phillip, let me see. Yeah, so set it down so you can see it too. How are you going to find the third angle in each triangle?
You add these and then subtract them from 180.
Mm-hmm. But how can you confirm that that's right?
Because with the protractor.
Yeah, measure with the protractor too. You'll hopefully come up with the same number. Good. So, as number 3 asks, what can we say about angle C and angle F?
They're correct.
They're congruent. Yeah. Bring your triangles. Where's angle C in the first triangle? Yeah. Where's angle F? Yeah. Okay, so if you guys have finished answering number 3, and we did as a group, right? If you guys have finished answering number 3, what can you say about angle C and angle F? Why don't you move on to number 4? And we're gonna write the proportions for these side lengths and calculate them. Yeah?
Really?
You can now, since you have the angles measured, jump to number 4 and measure the sides.
Oh. Oh, never mind.
How can you find angle C? If you have angle A and angle B.
Minus 105. What do you have left? 75.
That works. How else can you find it?
The protractor.
Yeah. Put the protractor and see what it looks like.
Wait, from which way? This, for this 45.
You want an angle. You want yeah.
Then I think it's backwards.
How do yours come up to be 90? Let's check. Yeah, 60.
And 45.
The this one actually is measured to 30. So you should,
It is.
it looks like you had it right. It looks like you had it right. Right here where you erased. Oh, wait, it's coming to 50. So let's go right there. Yeah. You got it.
It doesn't matter if it's green. Doesn't matter if it's recorded. You still have to.
It's not raining in here.
We should go to the beach.
And there's a roof. Listen, I remember this one time in Miss Bradley's class, it was raining. The ceiling was leaking. Yeah, you guys can do it to see?
You guys finished number 4?
It was leaking.
Measure the side lengths.
The scale factor is
Good,
2.
good. So did you write the proportions out? Just like they're laid out in number 4. Did you write out the ratios? Well, what I should say is write out the ratios. Calculate what they add, what they equal.